everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day number 4 of my Christmas DIY videos. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notification so you'll be notified when I post my next video. I'm excited today to show you how I made this joy sign. This is a little dupe from Joann's Fabrics. I saw this on their website, and I really liked how this turned out. I am excited to share with you exactly how I made it using a Dollar Tree photo frame. So if you want to see how I made it, then continue watching.
For this project, I'm going to be using this frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to start off by removing the back of that frame and taking all of the insides out. Now I'm going to take a foam board from Dollar Tree and also take the glass from that frame and go ahead and trace out the rectangle on the foam board and cut that out. And now I'm just going to take some black acrylic paint and go ahead and paint that foam board. And now I'm just going to place that foam board back in the frame. Okay, so now it's time to start assembling the sign, and I am using these wood slices. I'm going to be using some stickers that spell out joy, and they do sell black letter stickers at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to peel these off and stick them on my wood slices. Now I'm just going to take some strips of some buffalo check ribbon and go ahead and hot glue that to the back of those wood slices. So now I'm going to take my foam board and go ahead and hot glue those buffalo check little, I guess, ornaments you want to call them now, and glue them onto the foam board. So I'm going to take that foam board and just put that back in my frame and close those little clasps down on it to secure it. And I'm just going to add some greenery and pine cones to my frame.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for day number 5 of my Christmas DIY videos. See you tomorrow. Bye.